Hello there. Sometimes it's a little bit difficult to fall asleep and you need some help. So there's really no shame in that. I hope I can help you with this. If you stick around towards the end of this video, you will find out something important. A message is coming your way. Something that you need to hear right now in the here and now. But first we need to open up your subconscious mind to be able to be receptive to that message. So I would like to ask you to pay attention to this brush first. If you can, keep your eyes open and follow along with the movements of this brush. This has sort of a hypnotic effect, and as your eye movements are tracking this brush, your mind and your body is becoming heavier and heavier. And it's so surprising, but it's happening really fast. It's happening so quickly, in fact, that your consciousness is not able to keep up with it. These patterns of thought and speech, they confuse you in the warmest way, in the most comfortable and pleasant experience. You're losing track of your thoughts. You're losing track of reality, and that's fine. Reality is overrated anyway. So you're following along with the brush. If you can keep your eyes open, you can do it. If not, that's okay as well. There's no problem. You can do no wrong. Everything you do, each breath that you take, each thought that crosses your mind throughout this session, it's making you more and more receptive. And receptivity is key. Everything that happens for a reason, for a good reason, for a good cause. It's causing you to become heavier, sleepier. And as your eyelids are also getting heavier and heavier, it's a very pleasant feeling, so cozy. It's as though you were meant to be in this state. And being here feels really good. What else can happen? What else can you learn from this? Message that was supposed to be a message, right? So if your eyes are still open, you don't need to open them. But if they are closed, you can try to open them, but might find that it is impossible to do so. And that is perfectly fine. The message is the world. The world itself is the message. Everything you experience in your waking life. Everything, all the challenges, all the events of the day. They're all a message. A very pleasant message, in fact. Because all of these events are pointing to the fact that we are all one. Have you noticed these crazy synchronicities that have been happening around you? Do you think it's a coincidence? Of course not. Of course not. The universe is speaking to you. The universe is sending me messages about you. You are sending me messages about you. I am sending you messages about me. There's no you. There's no me. We are holistically connected. Some people say we are living in a simulation. And I think that's just a metaphorical, poetic way of putting it. This has been known forever. This isn't a technological advance that we have recently made. This has been the state of things forever and ever. So there's nothing to be afraid of. It's just the most natural state of things. And ancient tribes, people who used to live really close to nature, people who used to have that very strong connection with the holistic nature of the universe, they were not afraid. They knew that this was it. That we are all one entity. And the illusion of separateness is just here for our own amusement. Nothing less, nothing more. The universe is a joke. The world is an illusion. But happiness is real. You can be happy. And if you notice, in this moment, you are. And your body is heavy and you're about to go to sleep. Where you can be reunited with your subconscious. Nothing is lost. Everything is always here. And you're always